Good morning, students. Chapter Waste Management. Third part, Need and Methods for Reducing, Reusing and Recycling Waste. Need of 3 R's. 3 R means reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Waste generation and its management is becoming a universal problem, especially in the developing countries, because they don't have the sufficient ways to control the waste products. People all over the world are looking for the more and more new ways to dispose of different type of waste so that they can save environment. There are two main ways to solve the problem of this waste. First, to reduce generation of waste sources. Means we have tried to use those things which will not create any type of a waste. It can be easily decompose or degrade in the environment. Second, to find suitable ways to run waste into wealth. Means from the waste we can earn money. Just take the example of sugar mill. They only use the sugar cane just to get the sugar cane juice or sucrose to make the sugar, but they were not using the waste of the sugar cane. If they use the waste of the sugar cane, they have a byproducts and the waste will reduce. So our main aim is, or the concept of 3R is to reduce, reuse and recycle, which plays an important role in the controlling waste in the modern time, and its main aim is to generate minimum amount of waste and to extract maximum benefit from the waste generated or produced. Means whatever the waste we have to utilize in such a way so that we have a less waste and we can earn from the waste material.
Reducing waste. Waste minimization is a set of processes and practices intended to reduce the amount of waste produced. By reducing or eliminating the generation of harmful waste, we can save our environment. Otherwise, what will happen? The waste will accumulate in our surrounding and it will give us different type of harmful things, diseases, and even it will create a lot of pollution in our surrounding.
There are different ways through which we can control waste. First, use a reusable bottle or cups for beverages on the go. Instead of using the plastic bottles or glasses or cups, we can use paper cups and earthen cups, which is also called kulhad. So it will not create any type of waste because it will easily decompose in the environment. Second, reuse grocery bags and not just for groceries. Means we can have the bags, cotton bags or some type of bag which can be used not for carrying the groceries, but even we can take that for buying the vegetable instead of taking the poly bags from the vendors. Purchase wisely and recycle. Whatever we buy, we should think how it can be recycled easily. Compose it. Now what we are going to compose it, like whatever the kitchen wastes are there, so that kitchen waste can be decomposed easily, so it can be used in the form of a compost. Then avoid single use food and drink containers and utensils. Like at the time we are using the disposable plates, utensils, plastic food storage bags, they should all create in the means it will be left in the environment and will create the harm to the environment. So we have to use those plates and glasses or containers which can be reused again and again. Buy second hand items and donate used goods. If we are in need of anything and anything which is second hand and it is easily available, cheap it is, and it is in good condition, we should buy it. And if we have something which we want to throw, instead of throwing, we can donate that to some person so that it can be reused again. Then shop local farmers market and buy in bulk to reduce packaging. Means if we go once and buy the things in bulk, means in a more quantity, so we will have only one package or carton for carrying the goods. Otherwise, what will happen? Every time we order for something and they bring packages, and that packages will create lot of waste in our home and in our surrounding. Now the most important thing is promoting awareness. Promoting awareness among the humans towards the proper use of products and to reduce proportional generation of waste, which will help in saving our environment. And also with the help of improved technology, means the way in which we can reduce the waste, which aims at the use of minimum resources, product durability has improved, means we are using those technology nowadays which is improving the ways in which we are using the product so that it will be durable and it will not be thrown after one use or two use, and it can be last for the long duration. So we have to purchase those items which will not affect our environment, like solar heater or other solar products. It will reduce less waste in our surrounding. We also have to aware them that they have to buy eco-friendly goods or biodegradable goods which will not create any type of harm to our environment. One more example, like using washable table napkins instead of paper napkins, which is again creating a pollution or waste in our environment. From garbage to garden, it's compost time. Means whatever comes from the garbage, it has to be composed so that it will be recycled and it will reduce the waste and it can be used again in the form of a manure. Need for reusing. Reuse of waste means any operation by which products or components that are not waste are used again for the same purpose for which they are conceived. Means we can reuse the things like paper we have. We can reuse again. Means we can make the things from it. We can make the paper bags, paper packets can be made from it. The differentiation between the term reuse, recycling and recovery is important for understanding the application of target stated in EU waste legislation. Means there was a legislation, a committee was set up, they have a discussion how to reduce the waste, and in that they have discussed about the 3R. Now you can see here baskets are given, and these baskets are made from the old papers, waste papers like newspaper. Then the second picture is about old bottles has been used to make the rooms or houses can be made from it. They can make the benches, and even shoes are here which can be used as a decorative, planting the decorative plants in that, so that it is reused again and again and we are reducing the waste in our environment. Methods. Agriculture waste water should be reused. Redirecting drain water means whatever the water is in the drain should be directed in such a way it reaches to the agricultural farm so that irrigation can be done with that. Recycling dirty aquarium water. Whatever the water comes from the aquarium, it should be recycled and it can be reused again in aquarium. Collect shower water. Shower water means from our washroom or from bathrooms. Whatever the water is there, it should be collected or it should be filtered and used for the garden or kitchen garden. Trap rainwater, that is the rainwater harvesting, so that there will be no runoff and it would recharge the underground water. Fine filtration of water for reuse, means if it's a little dirty water, muddy water, we can do a fine filtration so that the water will filter and can be used for drinking purpose or some other purpose. Reuse of water from the laundry. Even from the laundry also, whatever the water, dirty water comes, it should be recycled in such a way that it can be reused again and that dirty water will not create any type of water pollution. Some of the solid waste from the industry can be utilized directly, like we have a fly ash from the power plants, and this fly ash is a substitute of a cement which can be mixed with other things, and bricks, fly ash bricks are made which is light and it can be used for the construction of houses. And even recycling of old tires, cans and glass bottles can be done. It can be used as a decorative material. If we have old clothes, it can be used in cushion covers or doormats, etc. There are some centers where they are specialized in recycling of one or the other things like glass, metal cans and papers. And when they collect the waste, they segregate each of the things separately so that the industry can take it one or the other material in which it is specialized to recycle it, or to make it the things which can be used again for the reuse of the things. Need of recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste material into new material and objects. Recycling can prevent the waste of potentially useful material and reduce consumption of fresh raw material, thereby reducing different type of pollution. So recycling is very important because it gives chance to reuse the old thing, and the pressure on the new thing will reduce. Like reusing or recycling of the paper, old paper can be recycling and it can be made a paper which can be used again, or it can be used to make a cardboards, and we can use this paper for printing on the both the side, or we can use the old papers where the one side is plain for writing the notes. Make recycling bins readily available. We can have the different type of bins ready in which we can dump or we can keep the things which can be recycled easily whenever it is required. Recycle your empty ink and toner cartridge. Whatever the printers we have, we are using the ink cartridges in that, so we can refill it instead of throwing it. Recycle old newspaper lying around the office. In the office, in the library, we have number of newspapers. These newspapers can be used for making the paper packets or paper bags. Even newspaper can be used for packing the gifts also. Look for the recycled options in all products you buy. Means whatever things we buy, we have to see how it can be recycled or reused by some other person. Buy rechargeable batteries. We can have different types of batteries. Instead of throwing it, we should have a rechargeable batteries so that whenever it finishes, we can recharge it again. So in this way we can reduce the waste material. Advantages of 3R. 3R means reduce, reuse and recycle. Advantages: protect environment, means there will be less waste in our environment, no pollution. It will reduce the pollution also. When the pollution will reduce, it will control global warming. All the problems are interrelated, so one by one it will control. So it protects the environment. Energy consumption will be less. It will reduce the pollution. When the pollution is reduced, like air pollution or water pollution, then it's reducing the global warming also. And we can use whatever the resources are present in the nature in a proper way, in a judicious manner. Conserve natural resources. Reduce amount of waste to landfill. We can use the waste material by using it as a landfill material. And create green job, means we start planting the trees in our surrounding, so it will help in making our environment clean. It also helps reduce the pollution that may result from the disposal of waste material in our surroundings. So that is a green job that we will get. But it also have a disadvantages, like not always cost effective, means every person can't do this. Recycled products may not last for long, means maybe it is only for a short duration. Unsafe and unhygienic recycling sites where this things has been done, like rag pickers are there who are picking the rags or segregating the things. It is not hygienic, and where this recycling has been done, maybe those places are not hygienic. Not widespread on a large scale. It is not done on a large scale, it is for a small scale only, so it's not very beneficial. But we have to make it on a large scale by creating awareness among the people. High initial cost means setting up of this type of site is expensive. It is good, but it is expensive, so we have to look after that. An example of recycling waste is paper recycle, which can be used for making paper bags. If the paper comes from the computer, one side is plain, that one side plain can be clipped together or stapled together and used for writing purposes, giving the notes, or printing the notices for circulation. And even we can recycle old cars, cycles and all that. It can be crushed into a big steel cubes, and then that scrap can be used in the machine for producing some other material from the that iron scrap. So in this way we can save our environment and we can reduce waste from our environment. I think now it is clear to you need and methods of reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Thank you.